Hi everyone! In this lesson, we will cover ordinal numbers in Turkish language. So let's start. Now, before we cover ordinal numbers, I strongly advise you to watch the previous vocabulary lesson 27 first, which explains counting numbers. The reason is that counting numbers you see on this page are the basis for this lesson, because ordinal numbers are constructed based on the counting numbers. Same as in English, we will basically add ordinal number endings to these numbers. But before we see it in practice, let's specify the respective rule for ordinal numbers. Accordingly, there are just two simple rules to keep in mind when constructing ordinal numbers out of counting numbers. First, depending on the vowel harmony rule, add one of the four endings ıncı, inci, uncu, or üncü only to the last number mentioned. Second, if the last number ends in a vowel, then add the same endings but without the first vowel. Very simple and straightforward. Let's see the rule in practice now. I will very quickly go over all basic numbers that you see on this page because all numbers end in one of this. So let's go. Sıfır, zero, sıfırıncı, zeroth, bir, one, birinci, first, iki, two, ikinci, second, üç, three, üçüncü, third, dört, four, dördüncü, fourth, beş, five, beşinci, fifth, altı, six, altıncı, sixth, yedi, seven, yedinci, seventh, sekiz, eight, sekizinci, eight, dokuz, nine, dokuzuncu, ninth, on, ten, onuncu, tenth, yirmi, twenty, yirminci, twentieth, otuz, thirty, otuzuncu, thirtieth, kırk, forty, kırkıncı, fortieth, elli, fifty, ellinci, fiftieth, altmış, sixty, altmışıncı, sixtieth, yetmiş, seventy, yetmişinci, seventieth, seksen, eighty, sekseninci, eightieth, doksan, ninety, doksanıncı, ninetieth, yüz, hundred, yüzüncü, hundredth, bin, thousand, bininci, thousandth, milyon, million, milyonuncu, millionth, milyar, billion, milyarıncı, billionth, 11, 11, 11. 11th, 12, 12, 12. 12th, 13, 13, 13. 13th, 14, 14, 14. 14th, 15, 15, 15. 15th, 16, 16, 16. 16th, 17, 17, 17. 17th, 18, 18, 18. 18th, 19, 19, 19. 19th, 21, 21, 21. 21st, 32, 32, 32. 32nd, 43, 43, 43. 43rd, 54, 54, 54. 54th, 65, 65, 65. 65th, 76, 76, 76. 76th, 87, 87, 87. 87th, 98, 98, 98. 98, 99, 99, 99. 99th, 113, 113, 113. 113th, 589, 589, 589. 589th, 800, 800, 800. 800th, 2021, 2021, 2021. 2021st. I believe you got the idea, right? Now it's your turn. How would you say the following ordinal numbers in Turkish? You can provide your answers in the comment section below. That's it. See you in the next lessons. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel below for more videos on Turkish grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Also, if you think this video can benefit somebody else, please share it with them. Last, if you have any comment or request, please provide your feedback in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond as soon as possible.